How do you add a birthday date in the iPhone calendar? Let me show you the options that we have available. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and that way you'll never miss anything important. Now, there are more ways how you can do this. You can simply open up the calendar, click the plus button, and set up a new event manually, which you're gonna name the birthday, and you're gonna set it up at a specific date, have it repeated yearly, and it's gonna be one of the ways you can do it. It's not the most automated or integrated version of birthday reminders and dates, because a little bit of a better way would be to instead go to your contacts app, and the people you have stored in here, like in your contacts, those can be edited, and there you can add the birthday date in there, like into the actual contacts poster, or the contacts saved in here. And that way, once you set up the birthday in here, it will automatically appear in your iPhone calendar, as long as you have it visible, because you can just check it and uncheck it as such, right? So as long as you have that, you will have the ability to see it right here. So all of those birthdays from the contacts will automatically appear in your iPhone calendar. And that's nice because you can always have the idea. It's going to be like the all-day event, which is going to show up in your widgets. And if you have like a notification set up for events, it will also remind you about it. So I think it's actually very nice that it's integrated that way. So let me know if you manage to set it up on your device as well. Subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll catch you later in the next video like this.